sa sarili ko. I hope and I pray somewhere in your heart you'll always stay. Girl, you bring sun and sunshines without you. Hi, good evening. Parang laki ng dibdib ko. Lumaki. Ba't laki? Pa yan. Daring. Daring yarn. May mali ba sa sarili ko? Good evening to all. Ayan. Good evening po. Hi, 1 million. 1 million in the house. Ay. May mali ba sa sarili ko? Just tell me why anything that my heart is so I want to be squared. Hi. Oh my God, 2 million in the house. Where are you from? Tanda na. Pag tayo tumanda na, sana'y di tayo magtago. Kailangan nasaan na ito ang pang. Thank you for 4 million in the house. Thank you so much. Sana'y nasaan na ito ang pangarap ko. Ako'y hanggang ikaw. Papalala ko sa'yo. Ang hina. Summer feels here in the Philippines. Watching my own life. Hi, Beniti. You are old. Yes, I'm old. I'm old. Thank you for the likes. Where are you from? Beniti, 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 Beniti. You're young. Underage here is not allowed. Only legal age. But kids, hi, and Sue is your mom. Yes, hi Jess. Thank you for the likes. Hello, young Guapa Shira. Thank you, Jess. Thank you. How are you, Jess? Thank you for joining. I'm getting old now. Thank you so much. Okay, okay, how are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you. Maganda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for million, 3 million, 2 million. Tatanungan sa'yo, ako pa kaya ikaw. Sleepy na. Like, comment, share, subscribe, support. Thank you, Jess. Thank you so much.
Tita Sheryl.
Hi.
Pwede ko mag-share.
Gab, hayan ang charger mo, Gab.
Sige.
Anong charger? Sige na, doon mo. Mag-charge ka na.
Sige.
Pwede man yun.
Ang charger mo? Sige. Pa? Ito ka charge?
Thank you so much, Jess. Oh, bye. Kapag ako thank you for 10 million. Hi! Oh, bakit kayo? Nandito ba? Oh my God! Sana'y di tayo magbago. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the 5 people in the house. How are you, pa? One, two. Ayaw matanda na. God. I'm afraid to someday I'm going to love the baby. How can I start to say goodbye? You were there tomorrow when I dance the sky. Tomorrow and forevermore, I'll be there to love you. You're my sun, you're my sun. Let me control tomorrow and forevermore. I'll be there to love you so. I'll be there to love you so. Oh my God. My God. Hi, John. Hi, John Henry Holiday. Hi, where are you from, Sir John Ray? Where are you from? you for 3 people in the house. Hi. Oh my god. Tired. Tired today. Buckshot. Hi, Buckshot. Thank you. Where are you from? So tell me where the woods start, 'cause it's spring. Hi, honey, my love. Well, hey, why you not twisting Zumba in early morning? Yeah, not yet. I need to ready to go to bed. That's why when I something like that. I want to go to sleep, but not yet to sleep. That's why I need to be more feel sleepy. That's why. Miss you. Yeah. I love you. Super tons. What's what is it? Bunch? Babe. I'm always behave. Behave, Cheryl. Behave. Oh, sleepy. Tired but not yet sleepy yet. I miss you more and more. More and more and more. Something like I love you more and more. My gulay. My love. So I'm waiting for my medicine delivery. Should come between 10 and 2. Quiet, nahulog. 10 and 2 p.m. here. here at 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. there. And then I go get battery for my car. Yeah, okay. You will be busy today, that's why. Oh, what time is it there now? 20, 7, and 9. 9 years old. 9 p.m. Later, I'm going to sleep. That's why. It's 9:20 a.m. Yeah, okay, 9:20 a.m. Here 9:20. 9:20 a.m. here. Behave. Thank you for the 8 million and thank you so much for the likes. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. $8 million in the house. Who's coughing? Gab. Gab coughing. Because the weather here super hot, and then drink cold water, drink cold drinks. Yes. Drink cold water, something like. Thank you for the 9 million in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes. Something like that. Juan. The Juan in the ano. Something like Juan and something ano. Juan because ano. Ano-ano ka dyan? Juan ba? I'm going to Juan. and then the ano is the Juan. Because the Juan is the ano. I'm going to Juan because the ano, and then suddenly the Juan, and then the ano is Juan. My God. I'm waiting for kids coming here, but That's why not yet. Maybe the kids busy. Something like that. Yeah. Hi, Chris Velas. Good morning. Hello, Idol. Hi. Hello, how are you? Where are you from? USA? Are you a Filipino living in USA, or you are USA learn how to speak Tagalog, uh, Tagalog language, something like that. Chut, churut, chut, chut. Wow, beautiful. Thank you, Chris Velas. Oh, sorry. Oh my god. Visit tomorrow. Super chat and membership are available. Please be respectful to the host. Thank you, my love. Hello, good evening po. Shout out po from Bagong Silang, Maramag, Bukidnon. Hi, Rika Bakoy from Maramag, Bukidnon. Shout out to you. Maramag. New name, new place name. But I know the Bukidnon. Maramag, what Maramag? Morning, York. Morning, New York City. Something like that. My God. Morning, wait lang. Ba't ganon? My God. Have phone call. Be back if you're still alive. Okay. Okay, Sihan. Love ya. Dadan! Love you. Love you, Baban. Kiss mo, Baba. Kiss mo, Baba. Wow. Kiss mo, Baba. Da 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 ding ding da. My God, I fell sleepy. Fell sleepy na. Tell me where to what's done. Is it straight? Oh my god. Oh my god. Unang naririnig ang bunga sa aking isip sa tabi na sa my god. I'm yawning again. I'm so sleepy na talaga. Can't stop falling my eyes. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, sorry. Oh my god, I can't help falling asleep. What? Oh my god. Huh? I need to go to sleep, my god. I fell sleepy na. Bye-bye, guys. Oh my god. Just tired today. Bye. Love you all.